Welcome to another video of Smart Family Tech, your trusted guide for raising kids in the digital world. Today's video is about how to apply a screen protector onto Nintendo Switch 2. So if you got one of these new one and you want to protect them from fall, especially if you're giving it to little kids, or it may accidentally fall off because of its sheer size from your hands, this is it. Now, if you may have heard it, that Nintendo has applied a screen layer on it that's only to keep the glasses off from shattering. It does not protect your screen. So this is something we need to apply. I got it off Amazon for $25. Comes as a two pack. That means two glass protectors in it. Let's see how to easy apply it. As you can see, the glass protector, it comes with a few things. I'm taking it out in front of you guys. So it comes with a dust removal cover. So basically removing dust off there. It comes with wipes that we would need. Instruction guide, you can follow the QRS. There's got a bit of instructions what to do as we start. So we'll keep it handy here. That's the thing that goes onto it to apply it. There's a top side. So basically we'll apply it like this. And this is just another set of the same thing, so you can apply it again. So first thing first, how to apply it. What I'll do is I'm going to remove the Joy-Cons. So you press the button at the back. I'm sure everyone knows how to remove them by now, so we'll keep them handy here. So the first step is that we are going to open this wipe here. And so let's see what it comes up with. Comes up with a few things. And this is the wet wipe. This is a cloth. And again, it comes with removable dust stickers if you need. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of this. So I'm gonna take the wet wipes out, tear it, take them out, just open them up nice and flat, and just start going circular motion. Don't press too much on it, and just go around everywhere. Make sure if you have been playing with it like we have been for a few days, you just go around and make everything so. Once we have gone through this, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move this here. I'm going to go through the microfiber cloth to dry it. So I'm just applying the right amount of pressure. As you can see, the screen is getting cleaner. Now we've got two options for dust. Is we can use the small ones if you want to cover this, or just use the big one. So I'm just going to use the big one to take everything out in one go. So basically you take it over it and actually take the dust out. Now this, as I said, is the top part that goes on the top. So the next instruction is we have to, the says over here, step number 1, remove mask film attached to this tab. So we're going to take this one off. As you can see, it comes right off. We take this and we just fit it exactly on it. So it fits perfectly. All you have to do is once you fit, and I'll check the instructions, it just says you go your finger like this. As you can see, it's spreading across evenly. As I press my finger around it, I can just make sure that everything gets applied wherever it is. And after that, what we have to do is we just have to lift it up and it's applied. So what we do with the rest of it is, if you have any bubbles, you just have to move them across to the side, and they will start going off the edges like this one is. And we have applied ourselves easily a screen protector that covers our things. So we'll connect the Joy-Cons back on, and there you have it. Our screen is now protected, and this was how easy it is to protect your screen. So put a tempered glass that protects it. We'll turn it on, and I'll show you. It's connected. All right. As you see how easy it was to apply a tempered glass onto Nintendo Switch 2. You can pause in between for any of the steps, but this is very easy to apply. And you don't have to go to a shop, spend extra money. Just get it off Amazon, 2-pack. If it breaks, I'm just going to take it off and apply the new one, same step. So make sure you subscribe, because the next video will be about parental support and how to apply timings and restrictions to make sure you give your kids Nintendo Switch 2, but they also have a time limit when to play and what are the hours, and how to set up parental guidance on the Nintendo Switch app. That's what we'll be covering. Make sure to subscribe, and thank you.